Today we're solving the problem 3 minus 3 times 3, all divided by 3. We will look at the common mistake that leads to an incorrect result, and then use the correct algebraic rules to simplify it. Let's first look at the incorrect way this problem is commonly solved. Many people mistakenly work across the top numerator strictly from left to right. Subtracting the front 3 minus 3 gives 0. Then multiplying 0 by 3 stays 0. Dividing 0 by the bottom 3 leaves an incorrect answer of 0. So now let's solve it the correct way. When handling a fraction, simplify the top numerator completely before dividing by the bottom denominator. Inside the numerator, multiplication has a higher priority rank than subtraction. This makes the product of 3 times 3 our mandatory starting point. Evaluate the product on the top right by multiplying 3 by 3, which equals 9. Substitute the 9 back into the numerator slot while keeping the rest of the expression intact. This updates our running expression to 3 minus 9, all divided by 3. Finish simplifying the top numerator by calculating 3 minus 9. Subtracting a larger number from a smaller number drops the value below 0, resulting in negative 6. This leaves us with the final fraction, negative 6 divided by 3. Perform the final division step to complete the problem. Dividing negative 6 by positive 3 results in negative 2.